I'm Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling over here in Glendale, Arizona, where we take zombies seriously. Behind me, I have a Ford F-750, brand new 4x4 from Tulsa truck. We are gonna deck this thing out to be a zombie apocalypse vehicle. But first, before we do that, we're gonna take a look at this amazing package that I got in the mail from ADV Mobile. Let's see what we have here from ADV Mobile with not only a sticker, Kenny, is that in there? With a sticker, this nice little paper right here. Let's see what sort of treasures they've given me. Would you mind doing me a favor, put their website up and show everything that they sell, all the cool stuff, because they have got some cool stuff over there. So let's go ahead and open this up. I don't want to make a big hubbub about it, but if you send me free stuff, I'm going to wear it. Ooh! Kenny, I got some hats, okay? I have 2 hats, none for you. None for you. And what else do I have? Oh, I got swag. I've got business cards. I've got stickers. We will be putting these on the F-750. We've got these other cool stickers. Let's see what else we got here. I'm gonna put that right here. They've got my name on a patch. It says Jonathan. Hey guys, you spelled it wrong. It's Van Genius. We've got all these other cool stickers. I will also, Jake around here buys all of our swag and our hats and our shirts. And I gotta be honest with you, as I've told you before, I think he hates me sometime because we don't have anything near this cool. And we should have all of this. I mean, look at this. Where'd you get these from? They got patches. Whew. I have 2 shirts. And I have to be honest with you, these shirts are much better quality than the shirts that Jake gets me. Is that a long sleever? I'm going to go ahead and put this on, but as you know, I don't let Kenny show you my bald head, so it's gonna look like movie magic. Oh. Now, ADV Mobile appreciates you sending me all these goodies. I will tell everybody else that you guys are my favorites, and they can do a better job sending me free stuff. But that's not actually why we're here today. We're actually here today because, as you know, last December, we made the decision to donate all of our money that we receive over here on the YouTubes for the algorithms to Barb's Dog Rescue. Close to 400 dogs that they take care of every day. 100% of our ad revenue is going to the beautiful puppies down south of the border.
I am the CEO and founder of Barb's Dog Rescue. My name is Barbara Muma. I've been here for 20 years.
Yeah.
And so, and I've adopted out, thousands and thousands and thousands of dogs. And so I'm really well known.
Now, you people out there, I hate to yell at you because you guys are my friends, but you haven't been doing your job. You haven't been subscribing, okay? You haven't been looping these videos, okay? You haven't been sharing them with your friends, your kids, your grandkids, your nephews, your nieces, your uncles. You need to share them with everybody because remember, 100% of the dollars goes to the puppies. I have absolutely no idea what we're up to right now, but it's not enough. Maybe Kenny will put that number up right here. Is this how it works when you go like this? I see them do it in the videos, but you put it up somewhere. We have 5 months more to go to give the money to the dogs. I could be more excited. The other reason why we really like it is Kenny and I get a nice, we get to go down there and have some tacos. A couple cerveziosis, or cervezos? Cervezas. We're about to head outside. It's about 110 degrees to go take a look at the Ford F-750 that just returned today with the new 4x4 upgrade kit. It is actually 13 feet and 11 inches tall. Everybody on the East Coast, we can't come see it because it won't fit under the underpass. Everybody from California, Wyoming, Colorado, look forward to seeing this in the future. We did a video a few weeks ago unveiling this vehicle, telling you what some of our plans were. We appreciate your comments. Some of you said we shouldn't do a 4x4. Some people said we shouldn't do a 4x4. Anyways, 4x4 has been accomplished. It's over the top, 13 feet, 11 inches tall, and we can't wait to actually finish this rig out. Remember, we're doing full Dometic awnings, full Dometic coolers, full Dometic refrigerators. We're doing Lithionics 48 volt electrical systems already been purchased. I was told today they're on the route. We're also going to do a Victron 12 volt electrical system in here as well. There should be two coinciding electrical systems, 48 volt and 12 volt, so that we can show the customers and the general public the difference between the two and the different systems. We got bikes going in there, Segways going in there, motorcycles going in there, armories going in there. I mean, when the world comes to an end and there's zombies, this is a zombie attack vehicle, okay? Guys, this is not an take overlanding out. This is not an I want to make it very clear from the get-go, not an overlanding rig. Zombie apocalypse rig is exactly what this is. And we're going to deck it out for all the zombies, okay? Zombie, not approved, is what they're going to say about this rig. They're going to say, if there were zombies, this rig would be what you would want to have for the zombie problem, okay? Now, if you were out there building a zombie apocalypse vehicle, what would you add to it? Turrets? Maybe it needs turrets. Flamethrowers? Spikes? We could need spikes on wheels. This is serious business, people, okay? I need your comments right here in the description of exactly what you would add to your zombie apocalypse vehicle, because that's what this is, period. Not an overlander. Once again, zombies. Making it the title of this video, Kenny, zombie vehicle. Go further without zombies is what I say.